Good morning, the people of Abuja. Good morning, Nigerians. Good morning, Africans. Good morning, people from all over the world. I salute you this morning, this afternoon, this evening, this night, depending on your location in the global map. Cryptoallergy is my name. I'm the CEO of and founder of Ibada Digital Academy Limited here in the city of Abuja, the federal capital territory of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We are here as an affiliate to Novatechfx, and I'm here on behalf of our organization, as an affiliate to Novatechfx, talk about two extra ways of earning bonuses as you refer people into our amiable company, the Novatechfx. Of course, in the previous videos, we've exhausted the Friday tonic. That's our Friday trading profit. We've also exhausted the direct referral bonus. In our subsequent video, we handled indirect referral bonus and, of course, fast track bonus. Today, we'll be talking about, check matching and residual income. Check matching and residual income. Let's start with the last one as the first, being residual income. Residual income is a situation where Novatech deducts $25 from each member's account, apart from the accounts that are having it as a deduction, having it as an incentive. There are some accounts that are having this immunity from deduction as an incentive, and these are two packages of VIP and President Club members. Now, apart from these two accounts, the remaining 5 accounts, have their $25 deducted every single month as service charges, or has a residual income, because if you call it a service charges outrightly, you will not be doing justice to Novatech, because Novatech did not take the $25 away on its own. It shares it with investors. It shares it with performing team leaders. For instance, if $25 is deducted from me, on the very day I completed 30 days in the business, my upline is going to have 5% of that $25. Yes, 5% of that $25 goes to my upline, and 2% of it, goes to my upline, and of course 1% up to 4th generation goes to my, upline, and of course the 0.5% goes to my, my successive upline from 4th generation up to 9th generation upward. In other words, if I sponsor Mr. A, B, C up to number 9, I will be having a direct referral bonus from only Mr. A. Now, as soon as $25 is deducted from the last person, from the 9th person, in my team, in my lineage, the 9th person, any day his $25 is deducted, I, who is also the 9th person above, I'll be having 0.5% of what was deducted, of course, which is $25 that was deducted from him. So that is how, residual income is done. So it means that 5% of $25, 2% of $25, 1% of $25 up to 4th generation, and from 5th up to 9th generation, 0.5%. All put together gives you about 11%, of the $25 deducted going to the team builders, and the remaining one, Novatech takes it as a charges fee. This is uncommon. We've seen companies deducting authorship without actually, allowing the team leaders to partake from the spoils. But here at Novatech, because Novatech is centrally built on leadership, basis, Novatech actually, and I mean that money actually goes to, team builders. So remember I told you in other videos that we are 1 year and 8 months with Novatech. Today, what is usually deducted from our teammates, and the share of it that Ibada got, is actually well above $50 almost every week. To $50 almost every week. So you can imagine if one can get $50 from residual income alone. You can imagine if at the end of the month, whether if the person will feel $25 being deducted. He will never feel he will never feel it when it's deducted from his account. The only group of people or set of people that actually felt the bite of the $25 are those who join with builders package of $100, or a little above 100, 200, and what have you, and they do not refer. Their intention is to invest and they are not referring. Anyone that joins with this package is likely going to have the feel of the bite. That is why that package is called builders. You are not allowed actually to, if you are not a builder, you should not, be an investor with builders package, because builders is for builders, and investors cannot assume builders. Otherwise, in the space of 4 months, your $25 would have been gone through residual income deduction. So that's why here in my team, with proper guidance, our team members actually, those who are purely investors, we do not allow them to actually go on builders package, unless for those builders who will from the word go begin to build their businesses. We've seen situations where someone will sign on with builder, and in a space of 3 weeks, the person has already earned $200. So you can imagine that kind of person, if he will feel the bite of $25 deduction of residual income. He will never feel it. So, and the more people you have in your team, the more money you make from residual income that is deducted from your team members. So anyone who has large team will honestly and obviously not feel the bite of $25 deduction of residual income. Guys, this is all we need to know about residual income. I'll be moving to the next, and of course, the fifth item in our bonuses as we, refer people into Novatech business, and that is the almighty check matching. Yes, I mean check matching. Yes, I mean check matching. Guys, you will not understand. You see me smiling and feeling cool with myself. The reason is because every Friday when I look at my team bonuses and I see where I make the highest money, the most, it's usually check matching. Out of $500 that I earn sometimes on Fridays on team bonuses, honestly speaking, about $400 is on check matching. You can imagine what that is. So imagine if we build this business to a level where we earn $5,000 in a week. Check matching is honestly and obviously going to be like $3,000. Why? Because it is the cocoa of this business. It's the main thing in this business. In the business of team building here at Novatech, you soon come to know why I mean is the cocoa. Check matching is a replica of binary bonus as obtained in binary businesses. The only difference between check matching and binary bonus is the fact that while in binary businesses, you can only earn from your team members on your week's legs. Yes, you can only earn from your team members from your weak leg. In the check matching, you can earn from both legs, from inside legs, from outside legs. Wow. Novatech is something else. Novatech is unprecedented, is something that anyone who wishes to build a career, wishes to build, a serious business, should just come to Novatech so that we can all have the cruise together. Yes, I mean check matching, you know, is the percentage you got from your team members as they are paid every Friday. It's like you didn't hear me. I mean, every single Friday, as Novatech is paying your team members trading profit, Novatech is equally giving you a share or a percentage of it. Now, for instance, I introduced Mr. James, and Mr. James signed on with President Club member of $100,000. Apart from the other bonuses, direct referral, indirect referral, and what have you, if on Friday Novatech pays Mr. James $3,000 as trading profit, Novatech will as well give me his directly sponsored upline 5% of $3,000. Imagine if I have 10 of Mr. James, or even 50 of Mr. James. If I have 100 of Mr. James, as a matter of fact, the more the merrier. So what we are saying here is that, you earn a portion of your team members' trading profit every single Friday. Did you hear what I said? Every single Friday, you earn a portion or a percentage of your team members' trading profit. As they are paid trading profit every Friday, a percentage of it is given to you, depending on the location of the team member in your genealogy. Yes, if the person is direct, you get 5% of what he earns on Friday. If the person is indirect, level 1, you get 2% of what he earns on Friday. And if the person is indirect, level 2, you earn 1% up to level 5, I think, 1%, then 0.5% from level 5 to 9 generation deep. That is check matching. Yes, that is check matching. So cumulatively, if you have, for instance, 100 people that you directly referred, you are earning 5% of 100 people's trading profit every Friday. And if the 100 people refers 200 people in your first generation, that's your indirect level 1, you are actually earning 2% of all those 200 people in your level 1. 2% of all the 100 people in your level 1's trading profit, and you are earning 1% up to 5th generation, of their trading profit. No matter how many they are at a given level, you are earning 1% up to 5th generation, and from there you earn 0.5% to 9th generation deep. This is unprecedented. This is unequal. This is something that is very amazing, and that is worth sharing. So, and this is the main onus of Novatech team building business. If you are a team leader, if you are an opinion leader, a politician, a student union leader, a CLO of your own, unit, and of your own local government, you are actually a team builder, and you can build a glorious team here at Novatech with the people that you command their respect. Of course, if you are a religious leader, if you are someone who wields a lot of influence, and someone who is trusted, just come to a business that you can trust here, which is Novatech, so that you can add value to the relationship you have with your people. So check matching is something else. In fact, is the best thing that has happened to us here at Novatech. Yes, so this is check matching for you guys. You can actually seek for more clarification. Yeah, although this check matching is self-explanatory, but you can actually seek for more clarification by walking into our office here at Rock of Ages Mall, of course, Suite 314, Suite 316, here in Utako, in the city of Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And you could also check on our description box, so that you can reach us through our various medium that we've documented there. And as a matter of fact, to keep on enjoying these videos anytime they are hashed, you can actually click on the subscribe button, and so that you will be the first to get any video from us. Thank you very much, and may God bless you. Is Crypto Allergy speaking.